At the Kanpur Air Force Base, the production model of the Avro 748 is now in its final stages of construction. This is India's first undertaking in the manufacture of a medium-sized transport aircraft. The Prime Minister inspects the aircraft, now undergoing tests. He also sees the demonstration flight of a multi-purpose light communication aircraft, Kanpur 1. This aircraft has a remarkably short takeoff run and can also land in a short distance. This plane has also been designed and manufactured at the Kanpur Air Force Base.